Hi, this is the USDJPY chart, and today it's 8th of May 2013 and the time is 17:21 GMT. We are looking at the H4 chart, 4-hour chart of the pair. Here I'm using the system with MACD and the EMAs, 5 exponential moving average, 5 periods, 10 periods, 15 periods, 65 periods, the white one, and 200 periods exponential moving averages. The trend lines you see here, the green ones are show an ascending triangle on the daily chart. This is what I have drawn here, and an ascending triangle, once it is broken, we have a very strong bullish move. That's what we are expecting here on the pair. So back to the H4 chart. This line, the turquoise line, represents our entry point according to our signal, which we gave a couple of days ago. We had given another one here earlier, but we wanted also some of our apps users to jump in this trade, so we didn't wait for the correction to finish. That was a mistake, but we explained to our users that they should put their stops in places where the correction would not hit it, and then they will be positioned to take big profits from the continuation of the uptrend of the pair. So let's see the picture on the H4 chart. We see that we have once the price touches the white line, the 65 EMA, practically it touches its it gets close to its limits of being bullish. It is a theoretical limit, this line. When the price moves above it, we see a positive histogram, a bullish histogram on the MACD. When the price moves below 65 EMA, we see a negative bearish histogram on the MACD. On the daily chart, though, we still are in a very positive histogram, in an upward histogram, so things look bullish. And on the daily chart, we see that the 200 EMA and the 65 EMA are almost running parallel, and they have a slope, an upward, a clearly upward slope. The price as well, and on the weekly chart, we see that the pair moves up. See this huge bullish histogram, and you may think that yes, but if the signal line of the MACD, if the next bar of the histogram is lower and the signal line drops out of it, do we see the pair going down? I think this is not what the Japanese government wishes. And on the monthly chart, we see that we have the perfect setup, the perfect entry point for a long profitable trade to the upward direction, because these are our systems, our specific systems prerequisites. On the monthly chart, we see that the three EMAs, the yellow, the magenta, the Dodger blue, 5, 10 and 15 periods EMAs, had a bullish crossover, and they reordered on a proper bullish order right after that, and price jumped above 65 EMA which is a trigger, an entry trigger. Ideally, we should have entered here, okay? But here is also not a big distance from here. So we had a bullish, almost a bullish breakout here, and the next trigger, which just is happening, is taking place, is that the signal line, MACD signal line. Yes, first of all, we had a MACD histogram go above the zero line. This is the zero line. The MACD histogram here is positive, it's bullish. It shows that the bullish momentum is increasing, is building up. So EMA is in proper order. Price above the 65 EMA. MACD histogram positive above zero line. MACD signal line touching the histogram and getting ready to start running upwards inside it. This is the next and the last trigger for us to enter. And this trigger is given to us only now. So if we entered here, it will be rather premature. So this month is the month of the golden positioning on the pair. So if we are a bit patient and tolerate these minor corrective moves, because it's reasonable. People, the bulls who made this move, they want to cash out their profits. That's reasonable. That's why they are trading. The people who make these downward moves, they are not bears, they are the bulls who pushed the price up here, and then they started closing some of their positions, cashing out their profits. To close a long position, you give a sell order. By giving a sell order, you push the price down. So you behave like a bear, but you are not a bear. You are a bull who is cashing out profits. So the first bulls who were happy cashing out just a bit of their profits, right here. But then more bulls, as they were seeing that the price was going down, they were afraid that they will lose the majority of this profit, and they were scared. Fear is so human. So they started cashing out and pushing the price lower. And when the price went lower, we had a few more scared bulls who said, what if it finally reverses? So they pushed it down to this theoretical level of and threshold of bullishness or bearishness. So now the bullish momentum will start building up again, and things will be restored. So the market sentiment will gradually start becoming more bullish, and we will see it. So let me go. Yes, on the daily chart. On the daily chart, we expect to see how soon the pair will reach this trend line, and how fast it will it just test it or will penetrate it. We will see. Even if it doesn't penetrate it because there is an unwritten rule that on the fourth time trend line is being touched, it's also broken. And now we have 1 time, 2 times, 3 times if it goes and touches it now, and it has a span to move back here, and you should expect it. And if it moves back here, then on the next 4th bounce and on the next touch of the upper line, we will have the bullish breakout. Make sure your stop is not hit. Place your stop outside these trend lines. Try to protect your position, because we are talking here about a very, very strong bullish rally we have ahead. So it's a pity to miss it, and it's a pity to miss it and losing money before you even jump in. So thanks for watching, and happy pips.